Want to learn how to use CRM software to schedule follow-up calls efficiently? Stick around. This guide will show you exactly how to use CRM software to schedule follow-up calls and stay on top of your leads. By the end, you'll be able to schedule follow-ups with ease, without losing track of important customer interactions. First, let's get started by opening the CRM software we'll be using. Once you're logged in, head to the Contact or Lead Management section. This is where all your customer data is stored and where you'll find the leads you want to follow up with. Search for the contact or lead you need to follow up with. You'll likely have a search bar or a filtering tool to help narrow down your list based on specific criteria. If you're managing a lot of leads, this feature will be super useful to save time and get straight to the right contact. Now, click on the contact's profile to open their detailed information. Here, you should see their contact history, previous calls, emails, and notes from your last conversation. This is a good place to check what was discussed last and jot down any relevant follow-up details, like the best time to call back or a note on what they're interested in. Next, to schedule a follow-up call, look for the Schedule or Tasks section within the contact profile. This is where you can add a task or reminder for a follow-up. Select Call as the task type, set the date and time for your call, and any additional details or notes about what needs to be discussed. Some CRMs even allow you to add notifications or reminders to ensure you never miss a follow-up. Once your task is set, make sure to save it. Depending on the CRM software, you might also have the option to sync this task with your calendar, so you get reminded about your follow-up calls right alongside your daily schedule. This is an incredibly helpful feature for keeping everything organized. For an even more streamlined process, some CRMs offer automated follow-ups. This means you can set up an automated sequence that will trigger a call or email reminder after a certain period of time. If you are working with multiple leads, using automation can save you hours of manual work and keep your follow-ups consistent. And that's really all there is to it. By using CRM software to schedule follow-up calls, you can stay organized and never forget to reach out to a lead. It's as simple as selecting the contact, setting your task or reminder, and letting the software handle the rest. Key takeaway: CRM software is your best friend when it comes to follow-up calls. It keeps everything organized, helps you stay on top of important interactions, and ensures that nothing falls through the cracks. To quickly recap, start by finding the contact or lead in your CRM. Review their profile and history to determine what to follow up on. Set a task to schedule your call, add notes, and sync it with your calendar. Use automation where possible to save time and effort. Before I finish, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial of the software we used in this tutorial. It's available only to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it and follow along. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching.